Hello and welcome back. So we have configured Bootstrap for our application. So now it's time to configure my own font. I don't like this font. So by default, Bootstrap is using some Roboto font. So I want to apply my own font. So how to apply your own Google Fonts is you just go to Google, just type for Google Fonts, uh, go to the website called font.google.com, and here you can find nice fonts. Okay, for your application, you can choose anything of it. So I search for something called Ubuntu font. See this one I have selected. Okay, this is Ubuntu font. Let me select light 300. Select this and no italic, just 400. Select it and medium. Select. Okay, so three I selected: light 300, regular, medium. Okay, so once you select, you get the link tag for that selection. You may copy this link tag, add to your application's wait add to your application's index.html. You can paste it. That is one thing. Or else you just select the import statement, import option. There you have a import. So you can just copy this import, where you have to paste this. Go inside the style.css in this before body. Just paste it, the global thing. Okay. So after pasting, you get URL not registered. Okay, you can just ignore it. Just a warning. No problem. You can just ignore. Okay, so you just pasted this import statement over here. Fine. And then next step is you have to specify the CSS rules. It means the font family you have to copy. Just copy this font family, and where we have to give is for my entire body, I have to have that font family, Ubuntu font family. So this Ubuntu will refer from this URL of Google font. So let's save it. Go check. See, your font has been changed to Google font. Okay, so that's how you can change to the Google font, any of your chosen font. That's fine. And one more configuration I want to tell you in this video is I want to configure for icons. Okay, so you may use Bootstrap 5 icons. So in Bootstrap also they have given from Bootstrap 5 onwards, Bootstrap icons also given. But I prefer going to the font awesome icons. So you just say font awesome. There is a website especially made for icons. So you can just select this icon. Okay, so there are a lot of icons as there. Okay, fine. So now if you want to see 7,000 change icons are there. So let me configure these icons system for my applications as well, because in future I'm going to use icons as well. Okay, how to configure is you have to install them using npm. So you just need to type something called font awesome npm you type. Okay, so you get something called here npm js font awesome free. Okay, here some are paid, so you get the free here. Okay, so this is font awesome slash font awesome free npm. See, this is the one. So it is a version now 5.15. Okay, so how to install is, see, this is the command. So you can just copy this, copy that. You just click on it, it will copy. Okay, and then go to your application terminal and you can stop the server. Control C, Y, enter. Stop it. So let's paste the font awesome URL and then enter. So this will download the font awesome from the official website. And once you have downloaded, you have to configure also. Okay, if you just download it, it doesn't affect in your application. So you must need to configure just like your Bootstrap. Okay, so it's been downloaded. Okay, and now where can you find that download? Every module or every library you download, it will resides in your node modules folder. Okay, and also it makes an entry in a package.json. See, font awesome has there in a package.json, Bootstrap was there in a package.json. So these two has done manually by ourselves. Okay, remaining things are already there, Angular specific. Okay, so where is the actual file you find is node modules. So you go to node modules, there is something called at the rate font awesome here only. Okay, so in that font awesome free, in that CSS all.css. So this CSS you have to connect to your application. So let me right click, refactor, rename. Oh, you can't try that. Okay, so you have to give this path and where in your angular.json. So let me just close it, go to angular.json. So where we have configured bootstrap. Yeah, before bootstrap you have to configure this. So go to node modules again, Photasm, Photasm free, CSS all. So you have to give exactly same thing. So node modules slash at Phot, Photasm slash font awesome hyphen free slash css slash all dot css. Okay, so you must give exactly the same name which already there here. Okay, and then save it. Done. So once you have done with this, so now your font awesome gets configured for your Angular. So let me start my application back and ng serve. Okay, so started, no issues. Okay, back here I refresh. uh, yeah, nothing. I mean no change here because we have not configured any, I mean we have not added any icons. Okay, so when you back here in this you can search for some icons. For example, you want to have some Amazon. Okay, you want to have this icon, just click on that. See, for this icon there will be some code. For example, yeah, you can find it here. See, I class Amazon something. Let's copy it. Let's click on that, copy, and I need this here. So this is part of app component. Just go to app component.html and paste it and save it and go check. See, you got app Amazon icon. You want even bigger, there is something called classes FA minus C 1x 2x 3x 7x 10x like that. So 10x, so very bigger Amazon icon has come. Okay, if you want to have a Facebook, there is something called fe hyphen. See, you get the hint also automatically from our all.css which we have configured in Angular. Fe minus Facebook. See, you get the Facebook icon. Okay, and if you want to have some color, I just add a bootstrap color, something called text primary. See, it's a Facebook, and you want to have a GitHub. Let's say fe hyphen. There is something called GitHub. Okay, you get the GitHub icon and just make a dark like this. And you want to have a what's called YouTube icon, fe minus YouTube like this. YouTube icon. You want to have a color text danger like this. So nicely you got all the icons. Fine. So we have configured in this video how to add your own font for Angular application and also how to configure the icons for your application. That's fine. And the next video we'll see uh, how to start with the Angular concepts. Okay, first we'll start with Bootstrap configuration specific examples, and then we'll see the data binding examples and all. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.